Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me for week 8 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. And this week we're just going to be dressing up a little Tootsie Roll Pop. And I've used just ribbon and designer series paper. So let me show you how I did that. Now I've cut out quite a few of these little hats from that Toil and Trouble designer series paper. You can either fussy cut them or use the framelit that will cut through your big shot, so the choice is up to you. But they make really cute embellishments for your projects. So to start with, I took a full sheet of this gorgeous gray print, like a stripe ribbon from that Toil and Trouble pack, and I just scored it on my Simply Scored it every 1/4 inch all the way down. And if you have seen me on Facebook, on my Facebook Live, I did a banner with these little medallions made with this, so I just kept using these, cutting them at 1 1/4 inch wide, and it's the full 12 inches, and that is how we are going to make the little medallion. So we're just going to fan fold on all these 1/4 inch scores. And I love using these on banners, and you can make them wider if you'd like, and if you're making a big banner, but they also make really cute embellishments for other things too. So I thought with this little Tootsie Roll Pop treat, you could put them in a jar, not a tall jar, but a smaller jar, like a little arrangement on your table would be cute. You could also take this same idea and hot glue a toothpick or a part of a skewer on the back and use it as a cupcake topper if you were having a party. So just different things you can do with it. I do recommend that you use hot glue for some of this, and I'm going to use my silicone pad in a minute because it's great to so the hot glue won't stick to any surface. Okay, you see I have that, and I'm pinching it really tight. And then I'm going to get a piece of our tear and tape. I'm going to open this new package. Let me find the end here, and I'm just going to put a little piece on one of these ends. And pull that paper off, and then come around and meet this other side. You could hot glue this too, but it just gets too close to my fingers for comfort here. Okay, so then you're just going to push down in the center and meet the center, and then we're going to put a dollop of hot glue here. Get my glue gun. And be very careful when you're pushing this down so that you don't burn yourself with the glue that comes through the center of that hole. Okay, so there we go. I can even feel the heat through the paper, so be very careful. Now you can see some of that hot glue has come through that center. I use that and have my piece ready to put on top, and that's the glue for that. Okay, now I'm gonna let that sit and get hard for a little bit before I pick it up, and then we'll start working with the ribbon. Now I have some of this mini sequin trim in basic black, some of this mini stripe in gorgeous grape, and then the black glitter organdy ribbon that's in the holiday catalog. These two are in the big annual catalog, 2018-2019 annual catalog. And I'm going to cut it pretty generously, at least 14 inches or 15. I just don't want to be struggling with it. And then you can combine your ribbon or your trim to match your designer paper, okay? You can also do those little medallions with the 1/4 inch scores out of cardstock, okay? Solid color cardstock, you can do that. And I'm tying all of these pieces together at once and see if I can do this. Yep. Okay. I'm just going to tighten that up. And you can make them as long or cut them as short as you want to. I'm thinking you could do with 12 inches. I cut 14 or 15. I think you could do with 12. You just want to make it easy on yourself when you're cutting. I'm going to trim some of this off here. Just like that. There we go. Save those pieces. And then on this, let's see if this is ready now. I try to find usually there's a flat side of the Tootsie Roll where it's not as rounded. That didn't really make a whole lot of sense, but you know what I mean. I try to find where it's going to be easy to adhere. And you see how that just slipped off that silicone sheet? Okay, so you could hot glue that on, but I'm afraid it will mess with the candy. So I'm going to, don't want to heat that up too much. I'm going to use some glue dots over top of that hot glue, dried hot glue on the back, okay? So I'm using my Take Your Pick tool. And let's see. Let's just put this over top. And we're going to be done. So you can see you could make all the medallions at one time and get those ready, and then just do assembly line and get them together. How cute is that? And look, on this one, I tied one of our spider charms. I wouldn't do that if these were going to young children, but these are really cute, and they have the little ring on them, so you can tie them easily. Those are in the holiday catalog as well. Okay, I hope you give that a try. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com. I'll have the details for this project, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.